Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on 3D objects. A 3D object has three measurements attached to it. As well as having length and width, it also has depth or thickness. The faces of 3D objects can be flat or curved. 3D objects with flat faces have corners. Some of the more popular 3D objects are as follows. We have cubes, prisms, cylinders, cones, and spheres. 3D objects are all around us in the real world. Some of the more common 3D objects and examples in the real world are as follows. For the cube, we have the sugar cube, Rubik's cube, and dice. For the prism, we have the bed, timber, and the tissue box. They're just three examples, but there are many others. For the triangular prism, we have this piece of cheese here, and also the tent. For the cylinder, in real life we have the paint tins, we have the candle, and the drinking glass. As far as the cone is concerned, in real life we have these cones here, which are used on the roads for safety, and also the ice cream cone. For the sphere, in real life we have the basketball and the snooker balls. And for the hemisphere, which is half a sphere, in real life we have beautiful light shades, and we also have bowls which approximate a hemisphere. So this video has introduced us to the idea of 3D objects, and we've seen some examples of 3D objects in real life.